Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will put the s gone here. Next, we divide both sides by x minus 1, y plus 1. Next, we do integration for the both sides. Next, we need to add about negative s. Later that we put positive s. Then we put negative number 1. And later that put positive number 1. Because I want to create about the factor divided by s minus 1. Similar for this one. So, we can do about factorization by s. Now, this one. So, if we simplify, we have this one divided by this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one, and so on in here. Now we have the final answer. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 1, that is about s. The next one, we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. This one, we have y squared over 2. Number 1, that is about y. The next one, we have ln of the absolute value of y plus 1. And we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.